guys, Elvis here, your Power Platform developer. Today I'm going to give you 5 major reasons why you should never use the default environment in Power Apps. 1. You can't share a security group to a default environment. Yeah, if you have a mail-enabled security group, you are not able to share this to Power Apps default environment. Recently, I was building an application, and this application has over 1,000 users, and I can't individually share the app to each of those users. Power Apps will also be prompting you to make use of a security group. So this app was built on a default environment. I tried sharing the security group to the default environment and it told me it's not able to. What am I supposed to do? I either have to ditch the default environment or create a security group that is not mail enabled. So to save yourself, avoid the default environment. 2, it's everyone's playground. Yes, everyone has access to the default environment. They may not really be able to access the app you built as the owner, but they can see everything you built. Yeah, let's say you have over 10 Power Apps developer in your company and you have over 50 apps in the default environment. You kind of struggle to find your application. So that's another reason why you should avoid the default environment. Yeah, when you create a different environment for yourself, like a sandbox or a production environment, it's private to you and you alone, unless you invite other users. 3, shared resources. Yeah, since everyone is building their app on the defaults, it's kind of slow to go through some stuff because everyone is punching on that same environment, which can cause some level of traffic. Yes, and lastly, no application lifecycle management. Most people love this. Yeah, let's say you finish building your application. The testers have to come to the same environment to test the app. End users have to work with the same version on the default environment. So let's say you need to make updates. You can't really section what version goes to the testers first, then what next goes to the end users. Because when you hit publish on the default environment, believe me, it goes to all the users. You only make use of the default environment. You're trying to do a demo app or an app for a tutorial or videos like me. But for production use or production ready app, please stay away from the default environment. So good luck rolling back, but hey, you can still use the default environment for a quick demo or personal experiment. For more tips and tricks, follow me and make some comments on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.